and at this time I will use this step-by-step landing page creator. So what this is I did some research on what makes a good landing page, and what I found is that there are like six things which you have to have on a landing page, which makes it a good landing page. So first is the headline, right? So what this will do is it will ask you a bunch of questions, and then you just have to like answer it accordingly, your product or website, and then it will create that page for you. Okay, so when I press next, what I'm using this sample data for my own website. It's called the Article Video Robot. It's like a website that turns your text into an animated video. So for this demo, I'll just use sample data from my site. But obviously, when you are using this wizard, you will fill in your own stuff. So on the first screen, you have to type the website name. Then you have to tell what the unique selling point is. Like this is the basically the benefit that the customer will get from your website or product. So for my website, it's a AI video maker that turns your text into videos. Okay, then you press next. Then it goes the subheading. So now you tell what you do in one line and why the customer needs it. So just answer these questions accordingly to your product or website. So I'll just quickly press next. Here you upload an image or a demo video for your website, and then you just keep pressing next, and you just like keep typing up answers, and you can type anything you want. You can even change it later on, and you just press next. You just answer everything, like FAQ, testimonials, etc. And now it is done. And what we have to do here is we have to now pick a template. So I have only 4 templates right now. I'll add more later on, but let's say I pick this template, and based on what we answered, it has now generated a web page for us. This is all using that data that we entered in the step-by-step wizard, and this page has been generated automatically. And now I can edit this page however I want. Like I can still change this heading. It's just like I did with the blocks thing, and I can even change the style. So let's say I want a different testimonial style. I can just like choose. There are I don't know, maybe like 50 different styles you can choose from, and it will automatically change the testimonial. And this is like even if you want to change these features into like cards, so you can just select this card style. It's just like how I showed that to you. Like if I don't want this in this, I want this in a zigzag format. I'll just go and I'll change it into a different style, and everything is very mobile friendly. So you can be assured that whatever you are seeing here, it will also look good on mobile. This is the mobile preview option. Okay, so let me choose iPhone 8. Okay, so this is how your site will look on a mobile phone, and it will also update automatically as you are creating the website.